भी चालू हो गया।
Okay. Hello all. This demo is to show the Visho application in the Android device. Actually, Android emulator. So first of all, we need to start the WebDriver application in the emulator. We need to install the WebDriver APK in this emulator. Once it is installed, we need to start the WebDriver application. This is a project where we have created Selenium scripts which contains 3 to 4 tests. The first test contains the steps to register into the Visho, and the remaining test.
Second test is for basically open the boot menu, and once the boot menu has been optioned, we will run the third test for simulating other boots. This is basically for the Selenium scripts. We are showing the ability of the Selenium, how we can use Selenium to run mobile web applications.
Okay. This is the object class which contains all the objects, elements on the page. This is the helper class where one method is returned to wait for the element. This is the configuration file where we creating a WebDriver object. When we right click and run the test as test-ng test, it will start executing the test on the emulator.
Android emulator.
As you can see, it started loading the Visho.
We have used the SCLV 9 show for simulating our web using Selenium.
So now the registration page has been opened. It will fill all the fields and click on register button. Now it will click on different exhibit list item, and it will open the and verify the booth list. It will repeat the same test for other exhibition hall. So here all the halls are containing the same items in the booth. So our test has been completed, and we can see the test engine report here that all the 6 tests has been passed. The first test was to register, and remaining tests are to traverse. Click on the registration hall item and then traverse the list. So the intention of this demo is to just
Visualize a proof of concept of the Selenium automation for the web applications on mobile devices.
we can also achieve, this demo was on the Android device, Android emulator. We can also do the same thing on iPhone driver as well.
Stop.
Thank you.